We all have that friend on Snapchat who keeps spamming multiple snaps every minute. The multiple notification can be annoying. To stop that, here's what you have to do. Open your Snapchat app and go to your chat list. If you want to mute a particular friend who is sending multiple snaps every minute, this is what you have to do. Click and hold on the friend. Click on Chat and Notification Settings. Click on Notification Settings and click on Mute Chat. The few options available are 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours. Select until I unmute them. When you do that, you will see the mute icon after the name. When this person now sends multiple snaps, you're not going to get the notification anymore. That's how you stop the spammy, annoying snaps from friends on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.